Today I'm in Oshawa, Ontario, working with Taunton Village Dental to help them improve their customer experience by hosting a customer journey mapping workshop. I'm going to introduce them to my people first culture and 3P strategy, introduce them to customer personality types and how to manage behaviors, plus much more. Customer journey maps will give you an advantage over your competitors because you're going to be continuously refining the interactions that they experience when doing business with you from beginning to end. My recommendation is to improve the customer experience by deploying at least 3 customer-facing initiatives per quarter.
And I cannot think of or know of anybody that's got more experience and is more on the cutting edge of the customer experience and customer touch points and improving them. The results that I've had so far have been unbelievable.
Customer journey mapping workshops will improve your organization's customer experience because your company will be continuously refining the interactions within the customer experience, which will influence greater customer loyalty and grow your business.
With asking for my staff's input on what they think a customer experience would entail, I was able to get more of a response from my staff. Therefore, they went above and beyond for our patients because they felt like they had involvement in the process. So therefore, the things we implemented were always followed because they felt like they were part of something that was happening in the office rather than just being directed to do it.
The key outcomes of hosting a customer journey mapping workshop are to bring together the entire organization where each and every department is represented. During the workshop, you're responsible for identifying each customer interaction within the customer journey. Hosting a customer journey mapping workshop acts as an operational improvement strategy because you will identify the strengths and the opportunities that your organization has to improve the customer experience and earn customer loyalty.
I'm so much further ahead of my competitors in my industry, and I don't think there's any way they're going to catch me now because I've been working with Michelle.